I know. And that was what we were driving down yesterday.
Guys, we're walking across cars.
Walking across cars. It's the one roundabout. Go straight over. And you got this roundabout, we go straight over. And we're crossing to the train station. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is a train station.
It is.
But it says RER. We'll go have a look.
Well, that's not a bike.
That's definitely not a bike. So that's what we want there. The RER A circuit, which is currently undergoing maintenance, which we weren't told about. So we looked this morning. Cool. Stay behind me though.
Oh, we want?
Tickets?
What's the difference? Oh. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then what lines do we want?
We wanted line A. No, instead of letters, they're now numbers.
Can we do the front? Can we go?
We've had to buy those. What are they? Show me that now. The Navgirl.
It'd be like the London card.
Like an oyster.
Vlog. So the kids one's got 4 on, but then they've got 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
So we know who's and who's. So
Yeah.
the kids one's got 4.
What did we just have to do? Go to the service station. Just there.
Wasn't she?
Yeah.
Printed us off the routes basically. Like.
Cool.
So can we go and get
That
on
was
the
very helpful.
train?
Should we have a look at a train?
Yeah.
You need to go through the barriers. Marne Valley to Disney, and then this way to Paris.
You mean, so if we don't want to drive to Disney?
Missed it.
Get the next one.
Have to get the next one. Disney's at the end of the red line.
Yeah, that's what Taria's where we are.
Yeah, we're on. If you follow the red line, like I just said, you'll come to Noisy.
Our train is the 3rd train. Ready?
So we've now established that we are on
Harry's an idiot.
the red line, and we're going all the way to Orba to then switch trains to go down to Trocedero. Because shouldn't it, Lace? Shouldn't it, Lil?
No, you just need to learn.
Waiting for a train. 10 minutes to go.
I'm gonna fall.
And we're off to Paris. And the girls are down there. How was your first train journey?
Good. So for some reason I
How
thought
was your first train journey in France?
What train did you think it was?
it was like a train with
Like an old, like Thomas the
A
Tank.
steam train.
like a Thomas the Train, not this type of train.
Oh my god.
This is I've been on a train like this before. We've been on a different
I
country.
didn't realise you had a specific brief.
This is like a
Yeah, what are you
subway.
What are you reading? This is
I've been on this. It's like I've been on this train before, just longer and with more seats.
What? Do you reckon you'll be able to see the Eiffel Tower soon? What is it?
Black portal. They're going for a black portal.
In a tunnel.
And it's called a portal.
Oh, which side? The left or right? There. Yeah, that side. We're here at Aubert.
I'm going to fall over.
Yeah, we've just got to go back down there later. The red line. Probably on that side actually. So I'll go the other way, I assume. And then we're heading down here to Green 9.
Lime green. Lime.
Lime green number 9. Using our French Oyster cards. We're through! Woo! We made it!
Lime green. Lime green.
Pont de Services. I think so. Yeah. Watch the train move.
Yeah, I saw.
Goodbye, train. We've made it. I hope. And we're in Paris. We're in Paris. What do you think?
Much later.
Thanks. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun na 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 na. Oh my! Why is the floor so wet? Mine wasn't working. Mine wasn't working for a second. It's scared. So when you're coming back, you take this route. When you come, I just realized we might be getting in the front. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.